Want to know how to fix the Your Offline error in Google Play Store? This can happen due to an unstable Wi-Fi connection, mobile data issues, or sometimes just a glitch in the Play Store app itself. But no worries, here's how you can get this problem sorted out without a hassle. Before starting, check your internet connection. Toggle Wi-Fi mobile data. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Turn Wi-Fi off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. If using mobile data, turn mobile data off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Solution 1. Clear cache and data for Google Play Store. Corrupted data in the Google Play Store can often cause connectivity issues. Open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Find and tap on Google Play Store. Tap on Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Storage or Clear Data and confirm your choice. Solution 2. Clear cache and data for Google Play Store services. Google Play Services is a background app essential for the Play Store's functions, including connectivity. When your phone settings, go to Apps or Apps and Notifications, find and tap on Google Play Services. Tap on Settings and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Storage and then clear all data. Solution 3. Reset network settings. This will reset all network to their default settings. You'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network afterwards. Open the Settings app. Tap More Connectivity Options. Scroll down, tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks, and Bluetooth. Now, simply tap Wi-Fi or mobile data. It will reset your network. And that's it. One of these steps should help you fix the Your Offline error in Google Play Store. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.